आइडियाज इन्वेस्टमेंट के आइडियाज मतलब फिन आइडियाज. We are SEBI registered investment advisor, and the disclaimer is that equity investments are subject to market risk. Kindly consult your financial advisor before having any kind of investments. Friends, we are dealing with more than 75 members of exchange as of now. We are 26th company in India to register our algorithms at exchange. And we have trained more than 40,000 traders and investors till now. The mission of FinIdeas is providing transparent solution to everyone for achieving financial freedom. People should achieve financial freedom. That is the mission of FinIdeas. And the vision of FinIdeas is FinIdeas will manage wealth of rupees 6,000 crores and serve HNIs and members of exchange globally by 31st March 2023. Friends, FinIdeas is having their presence in 5 countries as of now: India, USA, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and Oman, and the 14 cities in India. So if you want to have any local support, then you can get in touch with us. And during this lockdown period, we have completed more than 250 webinars. More than 33,000 plus people have registered. More than 20,000 plus people have participated. And around 115 crore fund we have added during this lockdown period. The logic to show this slide is to make you understand that if we can use technology in our business, it can make sense. So whatever business you guys are having, kindly use technology as much as possible. Yes, friends. So now let us understand index long-term strategy, how low risk can generate good returns. So whenever we talk about investment, we always first speak about properties. A lot of people, yeah, just hold on, my dear friend. So a lot of people invest money in properties. And why they invest money in properties? Because they are getting too confidence from properties. Confidence number 1, that property can't become zero. And confidence number 2, that if we can hold it, sooner or later we get the appreciation. But when we invest money in equity, we don't get that kind of confidence. If we select some wrong stock, then our money can become zero also in equities. So indirectly, we are having high risk in equity. And in this strategy, we were not there interested to have high risk. So we have taken 2 decisions. Okay, so Suraj, we are having every alternate week, we are having the programs in Hindi and English. So the next program will be in Hindi. We will send you the link soon. Yeah. Today we are having the program in English language. So friends, our interest in this product was not to take that kind of high risk. So we have selected, we have done 2 decisions over here. Decision number 1, that we are not going to trade in individual equities. That means no direct shares, no Reliance, no Tata Steel, no Suzlon, no direct equities. So where are we going to invest money? We are going to invest money in index. In India, we are having 2 prominent exchanges, BSE, NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. The index name of BSE is Sensex. My question to all of you, what is the index name of NSE? What is the index name of NSE? Very nice. Yes, everyone. The index name of BSE is Sensex. What is the index name of NSE? Very nice. Very nice. Fantastic. Very good. I am very happy to see your participation, your enthusiasm. So the index name of NSE is Nifty. Now, what exactly the Nifty is? Nifty is the average of top 50 stocks of country on the basis of free float market capitalization. As of now, those 50 stocks are Reliance, HDFC Bank, TCS, etc. But before some time, we were having Satyam, Arcom also in those 50 stocks. But as soon as those stocks reached to 51 number, they automatically moved out from index and some new stocks came in. What exactly the learning is? The learning is that because index consists only top stock of the country, it automatically removes the weak stocks. So indirectly, index is giving us the surety that it cannot become zero. Yes or no? Come on, what do you say? index cannot become zero. Yes or no? It may fall down, it may go up, but it can't become zero because it is the average of top 50 stocks of the country, and weak stocks automatically moves out. Very nice, very good. Now the valuation, how we calculate the index. So before some time, the valuation of Reliance was around 13 lakh crore. The valuation of TCS was around 12 lakh crore. If we add the 50 stocks valuation, it was around 117 lakh crore, and this 117 lakh crore was equal to 15,000 Nifty index. What is the meaning now? That means that if the price of Reliance increases, then market cap will increase of Reliance, automatically this total will increase and the index will rise. And the same rule is applicable when market is falling down. Like in Corona time, those prices of these stocks have fallen down, the valuation has fallen down, the total has fallen down, and the index has fallen down. Now, very smart question to all of you. The question is, if the richest company of India today is having the valuation of 13 lakh crore, then whoever will be the superpower of India after 10, 15, 20 years, that means the richest company after 15, 20 years of India should have the valuation above 13 lakh crore. Yes or no? Though it is not guaranteed, but logically it should have the valuation above 13 lakh crore. Everyone. Yes. Very nice. So if that will be about 13 lakh crore, automatically the top 50 stocks jointly will have the valuation above 117 lakh crore. Yes or no? At that time, whoever will be the top 50 companies of India, jointly that will have the valuation above 117 lakh crore. And in that case, automatically the index will be above 15,000. What exactly the learning for us? The learning is that whatever confidence we were getting from the properties, that it cannot become zero or sooner or later it will rise. Both the confidence we are getting from the index of that country. Because index is the average of top 50 stocks, top 30, top 100 stocks, it cannot become zero. Because it is directly related with the market capitalization. So sooner or later it rises. Look at the graph of Nifty since inception. It has gone up many times and fallen down many times. But the smart point, what we can observe from here is that whenever it goes up, fallen down, it takes time and again makes new high. Again fell down, made new high. Again fell down, created new high. Fell down sharply, took time, again created new high, and so on. The reason is very simple. It always keeps strong stocks. It always removes weak stock. So sooner or later it rises. So friends, I am having one question to all of you. The question is going to come on your screen. The question is, have you done any kind of investments in equities or mutual fund? If you have done any kind of investments in equities or mutual fund, click on yes, else click on no. If you have done any kind of investments in equities or mutual fund, click on yes, else click on no. Very nice, very good, very good. Last 3 seconds, my dear friends. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Great friends, I am very happy to share that 90% of audience have done some or other kind of investments in equities or mutual funds, while 10% people are new to this market. So you are going to love this learning. Today we are going to understand that how we can generate good growth with safety. So let us move ahead. So now the next question comes that whenever we listen to the word derivatives, whenever we listen to the words futures and options, the first impression that comes in our mind is that it is something about speculation. But we need to understand that only derivatives are the instrument that can provide us the calculated risk. If you want to invest 1 crore rupee, and if you want that my risk should not go beyond 3 lakh or 4 lakhs, then you need to use options or futures. Then only you can protect your risk. So we should understand the importance of derivatives and how we can use it. So now the next concept that we are going to learn, that is the concept number 2, and that concept is equity plus safety is equal to prosperity. We understand that for growth, equity is must. But simultaneously with equity, we should have safety also. If we can add safety to our equity, we can certainly get prosperity. So how we can do this? So first we will buy the equity index. We have already understood the importance of index. So suppose the index is running at 10,000, just for an example. So you will invest 10,000 rupee and you will get the index delivery. Simultaneously with the investment of this index, you will buy the protection. This protection means put option. What exactly put option does? Put option provides you right to sell. That means it provides you downside surety. That if market will fall down, you will get the claim from here. And you need to pay the premium for this facility. Looking at past 6-7 years, the average annual put option comes around 5% a year. So that means for the stock of 10,000 rupee, you need to pay 500 rupee premium. So for others, the cost of index is 10,000. But for us, the cost of index will reach to 10,500 because we have bought the protection. So we have bought the protection with us. So our cost has gone up, but simultaneously we have got the surety that because of any reason, if market will fall down, then my 10,000 is going to remain protected. This is very important to understand. By paying this premium, we have got the confidence that because of any reason, in any situation, if market will fall down, my 10,000 is going to remain protected. My maximum risk is this 5% premium only. So if suppose I have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore, so that indirectly means that my 1 crore portfolio will never go below 95 lakhs in full 1 year, in any case. So this is the good point. So what will be the side effect of this? So the side effect is that if market remains at the same level from 10,000 to 10,000 only, then whatever premium we have paid, this 5%, that we are going to lose. So what will be my worst scenario? My worst scenario will be that suppose in 2021, index is running at 10,000. 4 years has gone. We have reached to 2025, but still index is running at 10,000 only. Ultimately, this is stock market. So it may happen. So if market will remain at the same level for 4 years, then whatever premium we have paid during these 4 years, that we are going to lose. Yes or no, my dear friends? Come on. Yes or no? Whatever premium we have paid for the protection, that we are going to lose because index is running at the same level in 4 years. Yes or no? Very nice. Very nice. Fantastic, my dear friends. Very good. Suppose you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore. Okay, I am giving here the example of 1 crore. Doesn't mean that you have to make the portfolio of 1 crore. You can do all these things with small amount also. Just to make a rounding figure, I have taken the example of 1 crore. So suppose you have made the portfolio of 1 crore. In between 2022, 23, 24, index has gone up from 10,000 to 12,000. Like what happened before 2 years. Index has again fallen down to 8,000 like last year. Index has again gone up to 12,000 and again fallen down. Now suppose you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore. So definitely you are going to protect it. So you need to pay the protection cost. So 5% money you are going to pay as protection premium. So 5 lakh rupee you have added. Next year index has gone up from 10,000 to 12,000. So index has gone up by 20%. The question to all of you is, what will be the value of your portfolio? Index has gone up from 10,000 to 12,000. So index has gone up by 20%. The question is, what will be the value of your portfolio? Everyone. My dear friends, the more you guys are going to participate, the more you are going to learn. And the more you will learn, the more you are going to earn. Fantastic. Fantastic. So index has gone up by 20%. Your portfolio of 1 crore will reach to 1.2 crore. Fantastic, Ashish bhai, very nice. So ultimately you are going to earn 15 lakhs. Now next year, again you are going to protect the portfolio. The valuation of your portfolio is 1.2 crore now. So you have to pay more premium now because valuation of your portfolio has gone up. So premium will also rise. So your premium will reach to 6%. That is 6 lakh, 5%, 6 lakh. Next year, index has fallen down. Index has fallen down from 12,000 to 8,000. So index has fallen down by 33%. The question is, what will be the value of your portfolio? Come on, everyone. Fantastic, Ashish bhai. Very nice. Come on, everyone. Very nice, Mukund. Very nice. Everyone. Index has fallen down from 12,000 to 8,000. So index has fallen down by 33%. What will be the value of your portfolio? Very nice, Mr. B. Gupta, Snake, Krunal B. Gupta. Yes, very nice, everyone. So your portfolio will have the valuation of 1.2 crore only. This is the beauty of this strategy. Logically, your portfolio will reach to 80 lakhs. There is no doubt. But whatever 40 lakhs rupee you have lost, that you are going to get back from this put option, because you have bought this put option for this reason only. Yes or no? You have bought the put option that whenever market will fall down, I should not lose the money. So 40 lakh rupee check you are going to receive from this put option. And what will you do of that 40 lakhs rupee? Again, you are going to reinvest that 40 lakh rupee at the lower level of the market. That is 8,000, because market is running at 8,000 as of now. So your number of equity will automatically rise. And your portfolio will remain constant to 1.2 crore. Yes or no? Come on. This is a very intelligent point. We have paid the premium for this reason, that my money should not fall down. So ultimately your portfolio will remain constant to 1.2 crore. Your number of equity has gone up. Again, yeah, in SIP, Mr. Gupta, in SIP, you are adding the fund every time. Here you have not added any fund. When market valuation has fallen down, you have got the claim. You have got the difference amount in check. You have again reinvested that money. So without making new further investment, your number of units have already gone up. Did you get this point? This is a very intelligent point, and this is different from SIP. In SIP, you are adding your new funds. Here, you have not added your funds, but your units have gone up. Fantastic. Again, you have paid the premium. Next year, market has gone recovered. So in 8,000 to 12,000, again came back to previous level. So index has gone up by 50%. The question is, what will be the value of your portfolio? Fantastic, Ashish bhai. Very quick replies. What will be the value of your portfolio? Very nice. So your portfolio will also rise by 50%. It will reach to 1.8 crore. Again, you have paid the premium. Next year, index has fallen down to 10,000. But same story, your funds are not going to fall down. What exactly the learning is? The learning is that in 4 years, index remained constant from 10 to 10 only. But your 1 crore has reached to 1.8 crore because of the simple reason that when market moves up, you also move up. But when market falls down, you don't fall down. Again, when market recovers, you create new high because you have bought the protection. You have paid the premium for this. 5 plus 6, 11, plus 6, 17, plus 9, 26 lakh rupee you have paid. So logically, you will not receive 1.8 crore, rather you will receive 1.54 crore. But the learning is that in 4 years, index remained constant, but still you have grown. My dear friends, this was the hypothetical example. This was the just assumed data. We would like to see real data also. Let us see the real data. In last 18 years, index has gone up by 13 times. Can you just assume how much this strategy has gone up? Can you just share how much this strategy would have gone up? Ultimately, it has given you the protection. So you have reached to the low risk profile. What should be the return of this strategy? Come on. Index has gone up by almost 13 times. Very nice, Nilesh bhai. Very nice, Kishore bhai. Fantastic. Everyone. So index has gone up by 13 times and you have gone up by 22 times. Almost near to double. On same side, let us see the risk. Index has shown you the risk beyond 50% a year. But you have never seen the risk beyond 5% a year. So indirectly, you have reduced the risk as well as you have enhanced the returns. So people who are saying that higher the risk means higher the return, we say that this line is wrong. Logically, smart calculation makes high returns. Why smart calculation? So here we have chosen two smartness. Smartness number one, always trade in index, because index never becomes zero. Sooner or later it rises. And smartness number two, always have protection. Because of protection, you have reduced your risk as well as you have enhanced your returns. Mr. Warren Buffett, as of now, he is 90 years old. He is having 79 years of rich experience of market. He had made billions of dollars, 6th richest person of the world. And he is summarizing his investment experience in just 2 lines. There are only 2 rules of investment. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 1, never lose money. And rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. What is the learning for us? The learning is that this is my responsibility to protect my wealth. If I can protect my wealth, sooner or later, definitely I can grow it. So it is very important to protect your wealth. So friends, I am having one more question to all of you. The question is, do you have any basic ideas about call options or put options? So you are going to receive the question on your screen now. Do you understand basic profile of call option and put option? If you understand the basic profile of call option and put option, write down yes, or else write down no. Fantastic, my dear friends. I am very happy to see your enthusiasm, see your participation. Very nice. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Great, friends. Great. This is a fantastic data. Almost 85% of audience understand the basic profile of call option and put option, while 15% people are completely new to this market. So what can we do? So we can learn these learnings, that how options and futures are making sense for us. So for that, I'm going to give you the new course that is also at free of cost. That is Fundamentals of Futures and Options. So I will give you the proposal at the end. So just stay with me till the end. We are going to complete this session at sharp 5:05. At sharp 5:05, we will complete the session in sharp 60 minutes. So great, friends. So till now, what did we learn? Let us summarize this. Then we will move towards the advanced topics. So till now, we understood that what are the strength of properties, that it can't become zero and it rises. The problem with equities, individual equity can become zero. Then the strength of index also can't become zero. Then we understood what are the strength of protection. Protection reduces our cost as well as enhances our returns. And now we want to understand that how practically we can use all these ideas. Very nice, Mr. Gupta, perfectly correct. Protecting capital with insurance. And that insurance is called put option in financial market language. So now we are going to learn 3 plans: relax plan, basic plan, power booster plan. Just believe me, my dear friends, one of these plans is definitely going to make sense for you. So let us understand these plans in a practical way. Suppose you are having 1 crore rupee in your account. Just assume it, that you are having 1 crore rupee in your bank account. You are looking for some good investment avenue. There, what you want? You want 2 things. First, growth, and secondly, safety. So if you want both the things, write down 2. Write down 2 in the reply. If you want safety and growth both in your portfolio, write down 2. Everyone. If you want both the things, safety as well as growth, both in your portfolio, write down 2. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Fantastic. So you guys are participating in a very good way. Very nice. So you are having 1 crore rupee in your bank account. You need to make 2 checks from this 1 crore rupee, 30% and 70%. 30% money we will park in equity segment, and 70% money we will park in debt. That means fixed deposits, bonds, RBI bonds, where you are getting safety as well as limited interest type of income. So why are we investing money in equity? Because we want growth. Why are we investing money in debt? Because we want safety. So how it will make sense for us? Let us see that. So 30 lakh rupee, 1 crore, 30% is 30 lakh. 30% money you have invested in equity index. So you will buy index ETFs. You will buy index ETF of 30 lakh rupee. So you will get the delivery of index in your demat. So 30 lakh rupee demat delivery, you will put them as collateral. Collateral means you have marked these stocks as collateral for derivatives margin. And now you will buy the index future of rest 70 lakhs. So indirectly, what did you do? You have purchased 30 lakh rupee shares and 70 lakh rupee index futures. So total you have bought the index of rupees 1 crore. Ultimately, you were having the 1 crore rupee. But the fantastic point is that you have invested just 30%, and in this 30% investment, you have made the portfolio full 100% amount. Have you done these kind of trade for first time? No. You have already done these kind of trades in properties many times. Whenever you buy the property of 1 crore, normally you pay 30 lakh rupee from your bank account and 70 lakh rupee you are taking the loan, and by that way you are getting the property of 1 crore rupee. So here also we have made the index portfolio of rupee 1 crore by investing 30 lakh rupee. If market will move up, we will earn on 1 crore. If market will fall down, we will lose on 1 crore. But we don't want to lose on 1 crore. So immediately we will buy the protection. By paying this 5% protection cost, 5% hedging cost, we have got the surety that now my complete 100 lakh, complete 1 crore rupees protected. Yes or no? Come on, yes or no? I need the reply from everyone. By paying this protection cost, by buying this put option, we have got the surety that now my complete portfolio of 1 crore is protected downside. And upside, I'm going to earn on full 1 crore. One more cost I need to pay, and that is called financing cost. Why financing cost, my dear friends? Financing cost because you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore, but you have paid the premium of 30 lakhs only. So indirectly you have paid the amount of 30 lakhs only. So indirectly 70 lakh you have bought the futures. When we buy the future, we need to roll over the future every month. When we roll over the future, we need to pay forwarding premium that comes around 30 point, 40 point, 25 point of a month. So if we summarize for a year, it comes to around 400 to 500 points. So indirectly 5% cost we need to pay, 4 to 5% cost for future forwarding. Now this has become the fantastic opportunity for us. Indirectly, we are getting 70% fund at just 5% cost. So in India, if we are getting the funds at 5% cost, we should take it, and we should put our 70 lakh rupee in debt. RBI bonds are giving us 7.15%. So we are earning 7.15%. We are paying almost 5%. So indirectly, we are outperforming by 2%. Yes or no, my dear friends? Yes or no? Everyone. So here, if the future financing cost is low, we are taking the futures because of that reason. So on 70 lakhs, 5% means just 3.5 lakh rupee you have paid. And by paying this 3.5 lakh rupee, you have got 70 lakh rupee exposure for a year. So indirectly, our total cost will be 8.5 lakh rupee for 1 crore portfolio. So for 1 crore, so again, so I feel that some of you are having little bit confusion. Let us see that. I'm repeating the portfolio. You are having 1 crore rupee with you. Clear? From that 1 crore rupee, you have made 2 checks, 30 lakh rupee equity, 70 lakh rupee debt. 30 lakh rupee equity, you have bought the index ETF. You have put them on collateral. So on this collateral margin, so on margin, you can buy the futures, Mr. Gupta. So you have bought the 70 lakh rupee future from this margin. So you may have the question that on 30 lakh rupee collateral, can we buy 70 lakh rupee futures? So you can buy almost 3 crore rupee exposure from the 30 lakh rupee margin. But we are not going to take that much. We are completely happy with 70 lakh rupee futures. So indirectly, you have done cash purchase of 30 lakhs and credit purchase of 70 lakh. Did you get this point till now, Mr. Gupta? Did you get this point? 30 lakh rupee cash purchase you did. Very nice. So ultimately, you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore. We don't want to have the risk on 1 crore. So we will buy the protection. By buying this protection, by paying this 5 lakh rupee, we have got the surety that my fund is protected now. My wealth is protected now. Yes or no? Write down once again the answer. Yes or no? Very nice, very nice. Now the second cost, we need to pay financing charge. Why financing charge, Mr. Gupta? Because you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore by paying 30 lakhs rupees only. We have not used this 70 lakhs till now. So, but the rest 70% fund, we need to pay financing cost, that is called future forwarding cost. The fantastic point is that future forwarding cost is very low. It comes to around 4 to 5% a year. So indirectly, we are getting low cost fund. That is why we are using that. So 3.5 lakh rupee you have paid as the forwarding cost, financing cost. So my total cost has reached to 8.5%. And this 8.5% cost has given me two fantastic features. Feature number one, that my fund is protected. And feature number two, I have got the financing facility. On investment of 30 lakhs, I am going to earn on full 1 crore. Raise 70% fund, 70 lakh rupee fund, you have parked in debt. Suppose on the RBI bond, if you can generate 7.15%, so indirectly on 70 lakh for 1 year, you will earn the interest income of 5 lakh rupee. So on 70 lakh, 7.15% is 5 lakh. Now the most intelligent question of this webinar, what is your net cost? What is your net cost? 8.5 lakh was your gross cost. Out of that, this 70 lakh will give you 5 lakh rupee income of interest. What is your net cost? Fantastic, Mr. Banothu, for first reply. Fantastic, PB and Rao. Fantastic, Kishore Bhai, Suhani, Ashish Bhai. Ashish Bhai, write down the answer. So my net cost will be just 3.5%. What does it mean? If market will fall down, my maximum risk is 3.5% only. But if market will go up, then I am going to earn on full 1 crore. So downside, you have protected your risk, and upside, you are generating returns on full amount. We have named this plan as Relax Plan. Why Relax Plan? Because after understanding this plan, we feel relaxed. Now, the second plan is Basic Plan. The important point is that the initial part of Basic Plan and Relax Plan is same. Again, you have invested 30% money, 8.5% cost, you have got protection as well as financing. So everything is same. The difference is where you are using the rest 70% fund. Suppose from someone from your side, if they say that I am having some loans with me, I am paying 9 to 10% interest over there. Can I do something else? What you can do? You were having 1 crore rupee with you. From the 30% money, you have made the portfolio full 100% amount. So your goal has reached. 70% money is idle. Instead of parking that in debt, you can repay your loan from 70% fund and you can save more interest. Come on. Did you get this point? So I am saying that this may not be applicable for everyone, but few of you who are carrying some or other kind of loans, what they can do, they can repay their loan from the 70% of fund so that they can save more interest. Or some of you may say that I am having some other venture. There I can generate easily 9 to 10% income with safety. Then we will recommend you to park the rest 70% fund over there. So indirectly, if you can generate more returns on 70% fund, suppose if you can generate 9% income, it may not be possible for everyone, but there might be few people who may have this kind of facility. They can generate 9 to 10% income from debt, or they are carrying some or other kind of loans, so they can repay them and they can save more interest. So if you can save more interest income, your interest income will be higher. Indirectly, your cost will be lower. So the basic plan, in Basic Plan, you are investing 30% money in equity, raise 70% fund, you are using somewhere else. Now the plan number 3, that is Power Booster Plan. The name itself says that here we are going to use power of our current portfolio. Do we understand that our current equity and mutual fund holding can also help us to invest further without liquidating them? So earlier we have invested 30 lakh rupee to purchase index ETF so that we can park them as collateral. But suppose if you say that for collateral, I am already having equity or mutual fund with me, then you can use your current equity holding to put them as collateral. Then you don't have to invest this 30% fund also. So what you will do? You will put 30% your current holding as collateral. On that collateral, you will buy the futures of full 1 crore rupee. That means full 100% amount. So ultimately, you have made your portfolio of 100% value. You want to protect it, so you will buy the protection by paying 5 lakh rupee premium. And this time, financing cost you need to pay on full 100 lakhs, full 1 crore. Why? Because this time you have not invested your 30 lakh rupee also. So you have bought the complete stock on collateral. So on 1 crore rupee, 5% means 5 lakh rupee you need to pay the financing cost. So instead of 8.5 lakh, your cost is further increased to 10 lakh, just increased by a little point. But now your 30 lakhs rupee has saved to invest somewhere else. You have invested only 10 lakh rupees, that is 10% amount. So on investment of 10% fund, you have made the portfolio full 100% amount. And you have again got the protection as well as financing. So now 90% fund has idle. You can use in debt. If you can generate 9% income on this 90% fund, you can generate 8.1 lakh rupee interest income. So your cost will reach to 1.9% only. My dear friends, this is your maximum risk downside. If market will fall down by 50%, you are going to have the maximum risk of 2% only, because you are downside protected. This is the beauty of index long-term strategy, that you can get safety as well as growth. So our objective was to get safety and growth both. We have got this objective. My question to all of you, and the question is, do you carry any kind of loans like car loan, business loan, term loan, CC loan, any kind of loans? So if you are carrying any kind of loan, credit card, then just click on yes, else click on no. Everyone. If you are carrying any kind of loans like car loan, term loan, business loan, CC, loan from friends or relatives, last 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Great friends. Happy to share that almost 30% of audience are carrying some or other kind of loans. What they can do? They can repay their loan and they can save more interest. And rest 70% people are already toward the path of financial freedom. They are not carrying any kind of loan. So it will become very easy for them to achieve financial freedom. So very nice, my dear friends. So now the question comes that people who have invested money in these kind of investment plan, what would have been their performance in last 18 years? So let us see that. Here we have taken the calendar last day of the year, that is 31st December 2002 to 2020. We have got the option in 2002. So from starting to till date, we have got the data. Then the next column is showing you the index level on that day. The third column is showing you 1 crore rupee investment that we did. The fourth column is showing you that if you would have invested this money in index fund without protection, that is the normal investment what we do, then your 1 crore would have become 12 crore. The fifth column is showing you that if you would have added the protection with this, so logically you have reduced, just hold on, my dear friends. So logically you have reduced your risk. So you have reduced your risk. So your return should reduce, but instead of that, your 1 crore has reached to 22 crores instead of 12 crore. How it happened? Because of the simple reason. When market moves up, you also earn good money, though you are incurring some cost, so your profit is little bit lower. Instead of 71 lakh, you have earned 67 lakh. Instead of 71%, you are having 3% cost, so your earning was 68%. Next year, when market has gone up by 11%, you have earned around 7 to 8%. But when market has fallen down by 52%, what was your risk? Come on, can you tell me? When market has fallen down by 52%, what was your risk? Come on, everyone. Market has fallen down by 52%. What was your risk? Everyone. Very nice. Why 3%? Because you were protected downside. And next year, when market is recovered, again you have made new high. Again market has fallen down, you are protected. Again, market recovered, you have created new high. And that is why instead of 12 crore, you have reached to 22 crores. So now the question comes that in 2007, yeah, so are these numbers with profit reinvested? Yes. Okay, and I am going to give the answer of all the questions, okay, at the end. So just feel free to ask me all the questions, whatever you are having in your mind. I will be very happy to give you the answer at the end. Yeah, so on 31st December 2007, that was the previous 6,200. At that time, your 1 crore without protection would have reached to 5.6 crore. And here after protection, you have reached to 4.95 crore because you have paid the premium. Now, next year, when market has fallen down to 2,900, here your portfolio has reached to 2.7 crore from 5.6 crore. But this strategy has not gone below 4.8 crore. Why? Because you were protected. And next year, when market has recovered to 5,200, still it has not reached to the previous level. So you have not reached to the previous level in normal investment. You are still at 4.7 crore. But here you have crossed 8 crore mark. Reason is simple. When market falls down, you are not falling down. When market recovered, you are creating new high. So in last 18 years, you have never seen the risk beyond 4% a year. While you have generated almost 18.80% CAGR return since last 18 years. So almost index return is around 14 to 14.5%. And you have generated more than 4% extra return for 18 years. That is a big benchmark. So you have reduced your risk as well as you have enhanced your returns. Since 2014, we are doing the real trades. This is our performance. The blue color line is the index performance and the red color line is our investors' performance. The similarity is that whenever markets are moving up, both the graphs are running on the similar way. And these similarities that whenever markets are falling down, the investors are not having that kind of risk because they are protected. So downside, you are having limited risk, and upside, you are generating same returns. That is why the difference is increasing day by day. So what features did we understand? We have seen that this is the combination of equity, futures, and safety. Why equity? Because we want growth. Why futures? Because we are getting funds at 4 to 5% a year. Why safety? Because we want to have calculated risk. We are investing money only and only in index. Why index? Because index never becomes zero. Sooner or later it rises. So we are having low risk profile. We have you have already seen the past track record. That is a very strong track record. You have not seen the risk beyond 4% a year, while you have generated more than 18% CAGR return since last 18 years. We have all the infrastructure, all the reporting and apps, so that you can get all the reports on just click of the buttons. People can use systematic withdrawal plan also. So you can have systematic withdrawal plan. There is no lock-in period. This is a fantastic feature. There is no lock-in period, no entry load, no exit load. Whenever you want to enter, you can enter. Whenever you want to exit, you can exit. But still, we recommend to have 5 to 10 years of investment horizon, because ultimately this is a long-term strategy. We have the dedicated team for this strategy, so we can help you step by step every time. We have the algorithms. We are 26 company in India to have our algorithm, so that you can get speed, accuracy, and consistency in your advisory. You can plan for your retirement, for your kids' education, for your kids' marriage, type of big goals from these kind of investments. And finally, my dear friends, the most important point is all the trades are going to happen in your own account. So your money will remain with you only. You are going to keep your money with yourself. So your money is with you. You don't have to put this money to somebody else, not even to FinIdeas also. So you are completely secured. Your money is in your Demat account. So my dear friends, Mr. Larry Hyde, what he's saying? He's saying that I have two basic rules about winning in trading as well as in life. If you don't bet, you can't win. That is rule number 1. If you don't take any chance, you cannot win. So to win, we need to take chances. But if you lose all your chips, you can't bet. So we need to understand that we need to take the risk, but that risk should be calculated risk. There is a difference between calculated risk and speculative risk. The calculated risk means is the risk that after happening that risk, still you can stand again and you can run again. And the speculative risk means the risk that you have wiped up your money. So we need to understand this. So again, my dear friends, I am having one more question to all of you. The question is, while investing, you should put your prime focus on what? You should put your prime focus on safety or on returns. First focus where you should keep, on safety or on returns. Everyone. Friends, I am very happy to see your participation and your enthusiasm. Very nice. Last 3 seconds. The question is, while investing, where you should keep your prime focus, where you should keep your first focus. Very nice. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Great, friends. I am very happy to see that majority of audience, 89% of audience understands that safety should be first, while 11% people understand that return should be first. We also believe in safety first. We understand that if we can protect our wealth, sooner or later we can grow it. So great, friends. Now we are having some advanced questions. So during our last 250 webinars, we have got a lot of questions. So we have made the PPT of those questions also. So first I will speak those questions and then I will give you the chance to ask your questions also. We will complete our session in next 40 minutes. So just be with us. We are going to give you some proposals also. So friends, the first question comes that how can I have systematic withdrawal plan? Friends, in past 18 years, we have seen that this product has generated more than 18% return. So if you withdraw 6% every year, still this fund is going to grow nicely. So suppose you are investing 1 crore rupee. So every month 0.5%, that means 50,000 rupee you can withdraw easily. So every month 50,000 means 6 lakh rupee every year you have withdrawn. Let us see what would have happened. You have invested 1 crore rupee. Every year 6 lakh rupee you have withdrawn. So in 18 years you have withdrawn more than 1 crore rupee already. And still your 1 crore rupee portfolio has reached to 15.5 crore. What is the learning? The learning is that you have earned regular income as well as capital appreciation both. The next question is very important question. The question is, what is the minimum exposure I can take over here? So my dear friend, you can start these kind of exposure with one lot of Nifty also. Can you share with me what is the lot size of Nifty as of now? Can you share with me what is the lot size of Nifty as of now? Very nice, Darshit. Very nice, Kishore. PVN. Everyone. Very nice. Banothu. Mr. Gupta. Very nice. So the lot size of Nifty is around 50 shares. And the price of Nifty is around 16 to 17,000. So around 8 to 9 lakh rupee exposure you need to take. So that is the minimum exposure. Now the second question comes that what would be the minimum investment? So for the exposure of one lot, we have seen 3 plans: Relax plan, Basic plan, Power Booster plan. In Relax plan, we have invested full 100% money. In Basic plan, we have invested 30% money only. 70% fund we have used somewhere else. And in Power Booster, we have invested 10% fund only. 90% fund we have used somewhere else. So what would be our minimum investment? For the exposure of 8 lakh rupee, in Relax plan, you are going to invest full 8 lakh rupee. In Basic, you can start with 2.4 lakh also. And you can use rest 5.6 lakh rupee fund somewhere else. And in Power Booster, you can start with 80,000 to 1 lakh rupee also. And rest 7 lakh rupee you can use somewhere else. So what is the learning? The learning is that even a small investor can also do all these investments. In Power Booster, we need to put the stock of 2.5 lakh rupee to use as a collateral. That's all. So the next question comes that we have understood 3 plans over here. Can we compare all the 3 plans on one slide? Let us see that. In Relax plan, you have invested 8 lakh rupee and you have generated returns also on 8 lakh rupee. So like in mutual fund or PMS, we are investing full money and we are generating returns on full money. Our maximum risk was 3.5%. So that means around 30,000 was my maximum risk. So my 8 lakh rupee will never go below 7.7 lakh rupee over here. In basic plan, you have invested 2.4 lakh rupee only, but you are going to generate returns on what amount? Come on. You have invested 2.4 lakh rupee, but you are going to earn returns on what? Very nice, very nice. You have invested 2.4 lakh rupee, but you are going to earn returns on 8 lakh rupee. So indirectly, how much money you have saved to invest somewhere else? Indirectly, how much money you have saved to invest somewhere else? Come on. This is a very intelligent question. Indirectly, how much money you have saved to invest somewhere else? Very nice, Mr. Gupta. You have grasped the complete concept. You have invested 2.4 lakh rupee, but still you are going to earn returns on 8 lakh rupee. So indirectly, you have saved 5.6 lakh rupee to use somewhere else. Your annual cost was 8.5%. So 8.5% of 8 lakh is around 70,000. But 5.6 lakh rupee you are using somewhere else. There also you are going to generate some returns. If you can generate around 50,000 only from there. So indirectly your cost will be 70 minus 50, just 20,000 rupee a year. The third plan is Power Booster plan. There you have invested 80,000 rupee only, but still you are going to generate returns on 8 lakh rupee. So ultimately your annual cost is 10%, so 80,000 rupee. So you have saved around 7.2 lakhs rupee to use somewhere else. So if you can generate around 65,000 rupee from this, so your net cost will be 80 minus 65, around 15 to 20,000 only. What is the learning? The learning is that your maximum risk is around 20 to 30,000 only, while you can generate returns on full 8 lakh, and simultaneously you are getting different kind of payment conditions. So what will be your cash flow? In Relax plan 8 lakh, basic plan 2.4, and Power Booster 80,000. That is your initial investment. We have already understood. And your annual investment is in Relax plan 30,000, in basic plan 70,000, and in Power Booster 80,000. This is only the investment from your side. So you can go ahead with these kind of investment. Now the next question comes. The next question is, this strategy is good for whom? This strategy is good for people who want to achieve financial freedom, who want to have calculated risk, and who want to have investment profile of more than 3 to 5 years. So for them, this product is a good product. So if you want to achieve financial freedom with calculated risk, you can choose it. And this strategy is not good for people who want to earn from intraday or short term, because this is not the short term product. Now the next question, this is very intelligent question. You are going to have this question: which plan is good for me? So Relax plan is good for people who are near to retirement. Regular income, who want to earn regular income and who are having low risk profile, they should choose Relax plan. Basic plan is good for young investors, those who are earning regularly and who want to invest regularly. For them, basic plan is a good plan. And Power Booster plan is good plan for matured investors who are having the portfolio with them. So they can put their portfolio as collateral and who have the capacity to invest further. For them, Power Booster is good. So my dear friends, if Relax plan is good for you, write down R. If basic plan is good for you, write down B. And if Power Booster is good for you, write down P. So which plan is good for you? Come on, kindly assess this. Very nice, Mr. PBN Rao. Very nice for first reply. Very nice, Sneh, for second reply. Everyone. Which plan is good for you? Relax plan is good for people who are near to retirement, who want regular income. Very nice, Mr. Banotu, Kishore, Kavita, Yogesh, Gupta. Very nice, fantastic. The next question is, what are your fees? So Fin Ideas is charging you a very nominal, reasonable fee for managing this complete advisory. So we are charging every 6-month fee. If your portfolio is below 1 crore, then 75 paisa for 6 months. So annual fee will be 1.5%. If you reach to 1 crore, then your fee for 6 months is 62 paisa. So that means 1.25% a year. And if you reach to 5 crore rupee exposure, then your fee will further reduce to 50 paisa only. That means 1% a year. So ranging from 1% to 1.5% we are charging. We don't charge any other performance incentive, any other revenue sharing, we don't charge. So this is most economical fee for you, so you can get the benefit of the same. The next question is, can you compare this investment with my equity investment? So suppose you are having the portfolio of 10 lakh in equities, you have made the portfolio of 10 lakh in this strategy. If market, so similar investment, if market becomes double, then your equity portfolio becomes 20 lakhs. So here also you will reach to almost 20 lakhs. Your cost is 20 to 30,000 only. And if market becomes half, then your equity portfolio becomes 5 lakh. But here your portfolio will never go below 9.6 to 9.7 lakhs. So the benefit is that downside you are protected, upside you are generating same returns with same investment. The next question comes that if we understand that in longer run index is going to go up only. So if index is going to go up only, then why to buy protection? Understand this, friend. This is very important. Because of protection, when market has fallen down, you have not fallen down, and when market recovered, you have created new high. So in longer run, you have outperformed because of these protections. Let us see in one more slide. The normal index of 1100 in 18 years has reached to 14,000. But if you add one more feature of protection, that when market will fall down, this new index will not fall down, then Nifty with protection index has reached from 1100 to 40,000 instead of 14,000. Because of one simple logic, that when market will fall down, you will not fall down. So looking at the graph is similar to our index performance, that in upper side, both the performance are running on the same side. But when market falls down, this new index is not falling down. When market moves up, again, both are moving up same side. That is why the difference is increasing day by day. The next question is it the right time to invest money? Try to understand. If market will go up, you are going to earn equity returns. If market will fall down, you are having limited risk. So you are getting best of both the worlds. So that is why this is the good time to invest money in these kind of plans. People can shift their equity investment or mutual fund investment from that to index funds, because it is giving you protection also. The next question comes, what if I want to switch from one plan to another plan? So you can switch from your one plan to another plan whenever you want without paying any extra fee. This is very important. So without paying any extra fee, you can switch your plans. The next question is, can NRI also do investment in these strategies? Yes. NRI can also do investment in index long-term strategy using their NRO account. So if you are having friends or relatives who are NRI, you can suggest them also. And finally, the last question. The last question is, why FinIdeas? You should choose FinIdeas because we are SEBI registered investment advisor. We have the complete infrastructure of reporting. We have more than 18 years of experience of this market, of these kind of trades. And we have the algorithms so that you can get speed, accuracy, and consistency. And most important, we are most economical and reasonable fund advisors. So we can provide you advice at a very reasonable rate. So my dear friends, now if you have further questions, you can ask your question simultaneously. If you want to know more about this, if you want to get in touch with our RMs, with our team, what you need to do? So you will get the link on your chat now. Click on that link and fill up your interest form that I am interested to know more. So our team will get in touch with you so that we will not disturb everyone over here. So what you need to do, if you want our team to get in touch with you, fill up this form. When you click on this form, you will get this simple form. You need to write down your name, your mobile number, your email ID, so that our team can get in touch with you and they can solve your further queries. So friends, this was the index long-term strategy. I hope that we have added the value to your life. It will give you additional benefit to protect your wealth as well as to grow in a good way. Friends, every Thursday at 4 p.m. like today, we are having the program on index long-term strategy. Every Sunday, 10 a.m. also. So on holiday, On Sunday, we are keeping this program at 10 a.m. in morning. And on working day, Thursday, we are keeping this program at 4 p.m. So if you want your friends and relatives also to join this program, you can share the information of this program with your friends also, so that they can register for this program and they can also take the benefit of this. Now you can ask your question. Meanwhile, I am just sharing 3-4 more slides what our customers are saying. So our existing customers are saying that we are using transparency in our service. All the trades are executed in customers' own account, so they are completely secured. This is a smart work with innovative idea. It is very important and it's a very good compliment. When market falls down, our funds are having limited fall. People are getting growth of equity with safety. Our technology, we are 26 company in India. We have incurred more than 2.5 crore rupee investment for algorithm, so that you can get speed, accuracy, and consistency. So our technology and smartness are unbeatable. We answer all the queries to our customers. People don't need to worry when market falls down. This protects my funds against worst situation. People are making money in the most disciplined way. This is a great strategy. So these were few testimonies from our customers. We are having more than 500 plus Google reviews. So you can go to our profile and you can see our reviews over there. This is a combination of index with protection. Our research and back data testing is really impressive. We are thankful to all of us. Now this strategy has become popular worldwide. So thank you for your support and kindly keep it up. And friends, now this is your turn to ask me the question. It is sharp 5:07. I have taken 2 minutes more. I have completed my session over here. Now, if you have further questions, you can ask me your question. I will be very happy to give you the reply of your question. Meanwhile, friends, you can complete your free KYC also. When you can complete your KYC, we can put you in we can add you in our WhatsApp group. There also you can join us and you can ask us the more questions. Yeah, Mr. Kishore, now you can unmute yourself. Click on unmute.
Sure.
Yes, Kishore bhai.
Yeah, thanks, Govind sir. This
Thank
is
you,
really
Kishore.
helpful. So a couple of questions I have. The first thing is how this trade execution works. Is it something that you guys will be executing trade in my account, or I can execute those trade on my own?
Yeah, so both the options are available. If you want that you want to trade at your own, you can do that. And if you want us to execute your trade, we can also help you in execution.
So how do you communicate trade in that case? In the first scenario, if I want to execute it, will it be done through WhatsApp?
Yeah, so very nice. So in both the scenario, we are going to send you advisory first. So we will send you the trade advisory on your email, and we will give you the call at the time through our recorded lines. So you will get the alert call that we have sent you the advisory, kindly execute the trade.
Okay.
Now, if you want us to execute the same, so you will reply us kindly execute. So our team can help you in execution, or else you will execute the trade and you will send us the trade rate. So we will put them in our back office so that your back office will be online.
Okay, yeah, sure. And in terms of number of trades, for futures, since this is going to be a monthly rollover, that is fine. It's just going to be one trade. But for hedging, for options, on an average, I know it will depends on how market moves, but on an average, how many options trade one will have to take in a month?
So around in a month, so around in a year, you are going to have around 10 to 12 trades. That's all.
For options as well?
For options and futures both jointly.
Yeah, just ask that question from a brokerage perspective.
I can understand. So brokerage part will be very low, almost negligible. Everywhere we are having around 10 to 15 rupee per lot brokerage now.
Yeah.
So
20
in 12 months, you are going to have maximum 15 multiplied by 2. So around 30 to 50 trades. So around 500 rupees will be the brokerage. That will be the maximum size.
And how about M2M losses? Like, I'm not sure what numbers you have presented, whether that includes the M2M losses, because
yes. So we have considered everything over here. Ultimately, in futures, you may have the M2M losses, and in options, because of protection, you are going to get gain over there. So ultimately, this is going to have limited risk. So we have considered M2M also over there.
And for collateral, if I have my existing investment, so for future, when you consider this number, did you consider the 100% margin uses or like 50% collateral and 50% cash? Because my broker doesn't.
Yeah, so as the margin requirement will be very low, as per the new circular of SEBI as on 1st June 2020, people, if they are taking the position with protection, then they are having very low margin. I hope that you know that.
Yeah,
So
but
here in this strategy, we are having the complete protection. So the
okay,
margin is, so for one lot of 8 lakh rupee, the margin comes to around 80,000 to 90,000 rupee only. And if
that's
you,
true.
yeah, if you consider 50-50 margin over there, that cash margin 50% collateral, then around 40,000 rupee you need to keep over there.
Okay.
So from your 2.4 lakh rupee what you have invested, 40,000 will be kept aside if your member is not allowing you the complete collateral margin. And if your member is allowing you the complete collateral margin, we can use the complete fund. That's all.
But if I use 50-50%, that is not going to impact any of these returns or any numbers.
Not at all. Not at all.
Drastically.
Everything will be same. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Govind sir.
Thank you,
Those were my
Kishore bhai.
questions.
Thanks a lot. You have asked very intelligent question. It will help you a lot of people in the group. Thank you. And when you complete your free KYC, you will get the link of free KYC very soon. If you complete it, so we will add you in our WhatsApp group also. So if you get any further questions, you can ask us over there also. Thank you.
So yeah, so that as a part of that KYC, would somebody be explaining me the detail, like how this whole plan works?
So when you go to the KYC platform, no, you will have the chat option also over there. So our team will be in touch with you.
Okay, sure. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Great. So my dear friends, anyone else who is having any question? So they can ask me. There were few questions that I have got on chat also from Kishore bhai. Okay, Kishore bhai has already asked me the question. Okay, and before that, Mr. Ram Kamal. Ram Kamal has asked that I am 75 and have invested for last 50 years almost. How much of these alternative strategies are applicable for me? This will make a lot of sense for you, because these strategies are going to give you downside protection as well as upside growth. So you are still going to have the equity growth only, but downside now you will remain protected, or you are going to have limited risk. So that can add your alpha and without adding the new risk. Mr. Ram Kamal, thank you. Yeah, Mr. Gupta, you have unmuted yourself. Would you like to ask anything or share anything?
Yes. Yeah. Is there any separate demat and trading account is required, or our existing accounts are enough?
So in existing account also you can trade. And if you want the clarity that I want to check from my end also, then you can use one separate account also. So there is not. Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Thanks a lot. Yeah. So any other question, my dear friends, feel free to ask me the question. I feel really very nice to give you the answers.
Yeah, Govind sir, this is Kishore. One last question.
Yeah, so Kishore, please.
If somebody really wants to go ahead and start, using your plan, so what is the turnaround time? Like how soon he can start the investment?
So you can start in one day only. You can complete your KYC. Our KYC is online process. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes only. You need to give 26 questions answer. Those questions are very easy. That means we are going to ask you what is your age, what is your income, how many dependents are on you, so that we can understand your risk profile. Accordingly, we will advise you which plan you should choose, how much exposure you should take, and for how much time you should invest money, so that it will give you a primary clarity when you start your investment. And then you can do your own work over there. You can select your plan, you can select your exposure, and on the click of button, you can start the advisory. So it will not take more than a day, and you can do this.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. Great, Mr. Kishore. Thank you. Yeah, so I've got one more question from Jitendra bhai. In CAGR, what you have shown is included all charges and fees. Yes. The CAGR of 18.80% is after considering the future financing cost, after considering the protection cost, and after considering the highest fee from our side, that is 1.5%. So after considering all the charges, the returns what customer has got at his hand, Those are the returns, that is 18.80%. Jitendra bhai. Okay, so how Sushil is connected? So you are talking about Sushil Finance. So Sushil Finance at means you can trade from Sushil Finance and also. So we have our infrastructure over there. It will help you to get the trade done over there also. So you can, by that way we are connected. Hetalji, did you get the answer? If you got the answer, write down yes. So everyone, if you have any question, you can ask me. We are still here for next 15 seconds. And after 15 seconds, if I don't get any question, we will close the meeting. So my dear friends, on behalf of FinIdeas, myself, CA Govind Jhanwar, I am thankful to all of you, and I wish that you create good wealth in your life. You generate wealth, you enjoy that wealth. And finally, you teach all these wisdom, all these wealth wisdom to your next generation also, so that you and your next generation should achieve financial freedom. That are our wishes to all of you. Once again, on behalf of FinIdeas, thank you. Keep in touch. Kindly connect us on our next webinars. Thank you. Bye-bye. And keep on sharing these information with your friends and relatives. The more you Thank you. Bye-bye.